And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, FanFest is always a big event in downtown Colorado Springs. Looks like the street is packed. It's definitely warm outside. It's 81 degrees right now in Colorado Springs. Keep in mind, if you're just walking on the pavement, it's going to feel a little hotter than that. So make sure you're staying hydrated if you're heading out this evening. It's pretty dry today, 18% humidity. We've had a bit of a breeze at times. Right now, the wind is pretty light at 7 miles per hour. We're going to stay partly cloudy here through the rest of the evening, and temperatures will eventually fall, but it'll take some time. Sunset isn't until about 8:30, so by that time we'll start to cool into the 70s, eventually 60s when we head closer to midnight. For the most part, we have been dry today, but there are enough showers and storms to talk about this activity this evening. The southern mountains are a catalyst for the air rising this afternoon, creating a few showers and storms. We have had a few light showers in Custer County. We also have a couple storms that are forming in the eastern plains, but we don't have a ton of energy for these storms to last very long. I think right after sunset, most of this should be clearing out, and then overnight will be mostly clear to partly cloudy, and we'll have a pretty dry evening ahead. Our temperatures overnight should be near average for this time of year, 40s, 50s, couple low 60s, but Saturday afternoon is getting pretty hot. Now today we were near average with our highs, mostly 80s and 90s, but we're going to warm up to about 5 to 10 degrees above average on Saturday with 80s, 90s and triple digits along the Arkansas River. Saturday definitely the hot spot of the weekend. Unfortunately, it's going to be dry and windy enough that we have fire danger, so red flag warnings are in place for a long duration, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. So it's just advised that you avoid any activity that could cause a spark or flame outdoors, because if any fires start, they can spread quickly, making it tough for fire crews to get a handle on them. And something I'm going to be watching very closely on Saturday is this clash of air masses between dry air out west and moist air out east. And where we have this boundary line between the two is where we could see thunderstorms form, and then they'll move into this moisture and become quite strong. So we have a risk of severe thunderstorms in the eastern plains. This would be well east of I-25. Some of the storms tomorrow can have damaging wind and damaging hail. There's an isolated tornado risk as well on Saturday. You'll notice that most of the region is just going to be hot, dry, and windy. But where that dry line sets up, we'll see a couple of storms form. Any storms that do form tomorrow have the potential to be strong to severe. We'll watch those through the early evening, but they're going to quickly move into Kansas and Nebraska closer to dinner time, and then we'll clear out pretty nicely by Saturday night. And then on Sunday, I'm tracking a cold front that eventually will come in, and that will give us better storm chances across the entire region for Monday. I've got the mid-afternoon in the typical time range where we'll see a few storms on Monday. And we have isolated storm chances basically all of next week. There's a little bit of uncertainty in exactly where the best moisture will be, but there's at least something I'm watching each and every day that could provide us with a few storms. And so that will keep us also closer to seasonable temperatures. Very hot tomorrow in Pueblo, a little bit cooler behind Sunday evening's cold front. But overall, Father's Day should be nice and clear for us. There's just a low risk of a few showers in the evening. And finally, for Woodland Park, you're looking at a near daily chance of storms next week. Hopefully, we'll get a couple good showers.